Kobe MacMillan and I puked all over myself. And this is my 2015 bike check.
Hello, Kobe MacMillan reporting here. This is my 2015 bicycle check. This is the new bike I just built for this year's season. It's pretty nice. Okay. I'm gonna start off at the top. I got Odyssey Cufflink Terry Adams grips. They're pretty long and they're really comfy, but they're wearing down, so I need new ones. And then they have irons on them, which is pretty sick. And then Fit Benny 4-piece bars, 8.85 rise, are pretty tall, and 27-inch wide. And then this Fat Fit high top stem. It's pretty tall and has 49mm reach, so it's nice and short for like bar spins and shit, even though I don't do it. And then tie bolts because I'm park rat. And then 1664 headset with the Shadows spacer on it. It's really tall. And then Shadow captive forks with the 26mm reach on them. They have like the closed dropouts and whatever. And then the head cap, or the compression bolt, whatever it is, it has the socket square spacer thing. So, and then the frame I'm running is the ALVX 20.6 in translucent blue. It has like a 20.6 top tube and 8.8 standover and a 12-inch back end, which is really small, so it's like really easy to spin. And then pedals I have are Flybike's Rubin pedals. They're pretty nice, kind of, not really. And then Odyssey Thunderbolt 165mm cranks. And then they're 22mm spindle, and they're 2-piece, and I have tie bolts on them right now because I'm park rat. And then an animal bottom bracket. And then I have band butt saw sprocket, 28 tooth, so I can have a 28:9 gear ratio, and it has a marijuana leaf on it, but I don't smoke marijuana. That's bad. And then I have a BSD passenger seat. I like the way it looks. It's nice and slim and small and light. And then a plastic seat post on there. I don't know what kind of seat post it is though. And then I have 3 E-Claw Venom pegs. They're 4.5 inches long. I would run 4, but I don't like my foot hitting my peg, and it does a lot if I ran 4. So, and then my tires, I have Chase to Heart 2.2 tires, and I don't like them, but they look pretty cool because they're gum. They're really heavy and like not grippy and shit. So, and then my dad hooked me up with these thick wheels. They're pretty wet. They have Eclair Mercury rims, which are very light. And then the Supreme double-butted spokes. And then in the back I have this Eclair Colibri cassette hub, because I like to run cassette still. And then on my front I have the Primo M4 FL V2 hub, and it has like hub guards built into it. And yeah, that's everything. Make sure to follow @TheGrowthBMX on Instagram, and subscribe because we have a YouTube page now. And follow @21 on Instagram. That's me. And yeah.
What? Ah! Fuck, I didn't get it.
Are you fucking serious?